is Engineer Mac and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will teach you basic tutorial on how to rename a room in your Dialux Evo. Without further ado, let's start. Here, I have my floor plan labeled as rooms 1 to 12 and a conference room. I want to rename it as per the room names given in the original floor plan. I will click on Help Lines and Labeling. And then I double click on the text I want to rename. I click Change. And I type in storage on the box as my new name and hit Enter. I will do the same on my next room. I type Office 1 as my new name on the box, then I hit Enter. Alternatively, I can change my room name by clicking on the Spaces tab on the upper left corner. I type in Office 2 as my new name on the box. And then I hit Enter. Now, I want to change the size of the text. I click on Help Lines and Labeling. Then I change the font size to, let's say 0.5. The same for the remaining text. And now we're done resizing our text. Lastly, you can rename your text by clicking on Project Overview on the lower left corner of your Dialux Evo. Here, you can see all the room name inside your floor plan. I double click on the text I want to change. I type in Toilet 1 to rename it and hit Enter. Next, I will rename Room 2. I double-click the text and type in Toilet 2. Do the same for all the remaining rooms. all the rooms. If you want to change the font style and colors, click on the help lines and labeling. Then click on the text you want to modify. Here, you can modify the text color, alignment, weight, and font size. Explore it and enjoy. I hope this will help you. Thank you, and please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to my channel.